Hi friends, today is Wednesday, November 18th, and for today's adventure we will be unboxing the Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. Now, I am told this is the second year they're doing this Advent Calendar. I didn't try last year's. I have seen Trader Joe's chocolate Advent Calendar and Advent Calendar for dogs. The chocolate one just has 24 bite-sized chocolates and it's like 99 cents. So I really don't know what to expect from this Advent calendar. I have tried two other Trader Joe's beauty products. I tried their unscented lotion and their tea tree tingling shampoo, and both were pretty good. Nothing special. The lotion was pretty basic, not too greasy. And the shampoo was good. It was actually pretty similar to the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree shampoo. So, and I don't know if these are full size or travel. I guess we'll kind of find out when we open them up. But this was $19.99. And they had quite a few at my Trader Joe's here in Ohio. So let's just dive in and see what we have here. First of all, we have this moderate sized box. And the numbers are very hard to see, and I'm going to try not to look at the back because it does have descriptions of all the items inside. So let's start with door number 1. Okay, so first off we have a toasted marshmallow shimmer body wash. This definitely looks like a travel size. Okay, let's see how it smells. And there is a little iridescence I can see. Definitely toasted marshmallow. That's a cute little one to throw in your travel bag. All right. Door number 2. Oh boy, I can't see these numbers. Shoot, right here. Okay. I love this rose pattern on here. Okay, next up we have the same size as the previous body wash. This is a 1 for all for one, formula number 3, combination shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I love these because when I travel, I'm lazy. I just want to get out the door and go on my adventure. So this looks like it has all 3 inside. It's just a clear formula. Let's see if it has any smell. Just a clean smell. Maybe a little bit floral, but nothing too overwhelming. So that's good. Okay, next up we have door 3, which is this little square one here. Oh, what do we have there? This looks like a lotion. If I could get it out of here. Okay, this is a coconut body butter in about a silver dollar size little canister. Oh, that smells wonderful. Let's see how it goes on. It's very thick, as a body butter would be. My hands are so dry, so this should help. That feels really good. Pretty silky, not too oily or sticky. And this would be great just to pop in your purse for the day. Okay. Next up, right above that, we have door number 4. And you're probably thinking, Allie, why would you buy an advent calendar from a grocery store? But Trader Joe's has a lot of good beauty products, and I'm trying it out so that you know whether or not to buy it. So next up we have a little metal tube here, and this is the Cherry Blossom Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. Again, I need as much hand lotion as I can get this winter. Now that has a very, very faint smell, so not too strong. Let's try it on the other hand here. And that one's not as thick as the body butter, but still feels really good. And you can smell it more once you put it on. That smells great. Okay, another one you could stick in your purse. Next up, we have another square box down here, day number 5. This looks like another body butter. Same size as the coconut one. This is clementine. And let's give this a smell. So apparently my camera decided to run out of batteries halfway through that last door. So that was the clementine body butter. That was door number 5. And that was just a very similar consistency to the coconut body butter, where it's a little bit thicker but not greasy. and it just has a very citrusy smell. Not really spicy at all, just fresh orange scent. And then let's move on to door number 6, which is the biggest of the 12 doors. That's up here. Oh, I hope this is a good one. Oh, and looks like we have a face mask that is glued to the calendar. Okay, this is a peel-off vitamin C face mask. Comes in this little foil pouch. And doesn't say anything about a scent, or doesn't really have much. Oh, okay. Put onto a clean, dry face, blah, 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 let it dry, peel off in 20 minutes. So I'm assuming since it's a vitamin C mask, a lot of those have a citrusy or orange scent to them. So I don't want to open it right now, but I'm assuming it would have a citrusy scent to it. So I didn't even know Trader Joe's had face masks, so that's interesting. Next, day 7's here at the bottom. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, this is something different. This is a gingerbread sugar body scrub, and it's got a cute little gingerbread man on it. I bet this is gonna smell good. Oh, it smells really good. I would use this, the scrub, and then along with the toasted marshmallow body wash, those would smell really good together. Okay, and the granules look pretty small, not too thick of a scrub, so that's good. It won't clog your pores or anything. Okay, next up, door number 8 is a small one right here. I don't think we've received any lip products yet, so maybe this will be a lip product. Nope. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is a rose facial oil. Okay, again, I didn't know Trader Joe's had products like this. So let's give this a smell. Okay, not really too much of a smell, so if you're not a fan of rose scent, this shouldn't bother you. But let's try it on the skin as well. Okay, that's pretty moisturizing. I'm sure this would be good as a primer or a moisturizer, and would give you kind of a dewy set to your makeup. So this looks pretty good. I'll give this a try. If you have acne prone skin, it would probably be okay. I just wouldn't use too much of it. Okay, next up, door number 9 is a moderate sized door. Okay, and we have, this kind of has different packaging than the other ones. This is called Enrich Moisturizing Face Lotion, and it's got SPF 15 in it. It has a rose on it, so I don't know if it's got a little rose scent to it. But it says to apply onto the face 15 minutes before sun exposure. It's a cute little package there. And, well, I probably could smell it better if I took the seal off of the opening. Let's see. Yeah, this does have a little bit of a rose scent to it. I think it kind of smells similar to the rose oil, so you might be able to use these together if you have very dry skin and aren't too worried about breaking out, but that's a cute little travel one as well. Okay, we're getting down to the end here. Next up, day 10 is right in the middle here. Okay, oh, I thought we had a lip product, but no, this is another facial scrub, but this is blueberry and acai. And a cute little purple tube. And again, this one's sealed up, so let's open this and give this a smell. I love that smell. It's mainly blueberries. It smells like a blueberry smoothie. Oh, that smells really good. And it looks very similar to actually the gingerbread body scrub. It's smaller granules, so I think that'll work well. Okay, we have 2 doors left. Door 11's down here at the bottom. I'm kind of hoping for a lip product. Still haven't had any yet. There we go, finally. Okay, this is the #1 Almond Cream Moisturizing Lip Balm. Okay, tube like that. Let's give this a smell. And this is just a clear, there's no tint to it, just a very basic lip balm. And very typical almond scent. This kind of reminds me more of Trader Joe's beauty products. Just very clean, not makeup-y, more skincare, all natural type of product. So that's kind of what I was expecting from Trader Joe's. Last but not least, door number 12. It's a tiny one here, but I'm hoping it's still a good one. Let's open this up, and what the heck is this? Okay, it looks like a marshmallow. I'm assuming they're not giving you a marshmallow to eat. Okay, it's an exfoliating sugar cube. All right, that's an interesting finish to the advent calendar. It's very squishy. It's white. Let me see if it smells like anything. I'm assuming you just take this in the shower and scrub up, and it's probably 1, maybe 2 time use. And it has not really a scent. It just smells like sugar. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that. Just to warn you guys, I've used sugar cube exfoliators in the past, and sometimes I use half of it and I would leave it in the shower. And then the one time, all these ants came. They must have smelled the sugar, and there were ants all over my shower. So if you don't use the whole thing in one shower, make sure you put it in a bag zipped up, or I put mine in a little jar container so that ants don't fill your shower. But I don't know how I feel about that one being the last day. But overall, I think for 20 bucks, this is a good deal, especially if you want some travel size products. I think I will use all of these. I don't know if I would have bought the full size on my own at Trader Joe's, but I'll definitely use these smaller ones. And I don't know if I like any of them. I'll see if they have the full size, because I've never seen some of these holiday ones, like the gingerbread body scrub. I've never seen a full size at Trader Joe's for a specialized product like this. But the cashier told me last year's box was great and she really enjoyed it, so I thought I'd give it a try. So let me know if you buy this box and what you think about the products, and let me know if there's any other boxes or subscriptions that you want me to try out and review on the channel. And I appreciate your feedback. So remember to hit subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.